Hello and welcome to our place in Sicily, where today we're getting electrical. It's lunchtime here at the Palazzo, and I can tell the electricians were here just before lunch, as I'm just getting to the house, because, well, there's electrical things hanging all over the place. And you might say, I already saw electrical stuff hanging from there, Jen. But what we have now is not just the empty conduit plastic tubes, but wire through the whole house. So far, I haven't found any place that doesn't have it yet. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist, but they've got a lot done. And, you know, it's not terribly exciting to watch me point out every spot. So let's do a little freeze frame. There are a couple of good things I can point out while we're here and everybody's away at lunch, and that's how do they do the electricity for places other than where the light is going to be. So this just goes right to wire, and these will be switches, and these will be outlets. But up here we have a light, and the ceiling still has to be dropped down. So basically they've put the conduit there, and now they've run the wire in. You will see that there's a lot of wire in there, and that's because the light is going to go further than where that conduit is. So they just put in extra, and it gets put up in with the drop ceiling. And then we can scroll down, and since they were here last, they had to add this wire for what's going to be a floor outlet. It's going to be placed sort of under the couch because, yes, I'm one of those people who likes to charge my phone while I'm sitting on the couch. Never want to be without power. Never want to be too far away from a Google search. Isn't that silly? And here's some more instances of where they're doing electricity for other things. These will go to a hallway light because this is a closet that will have doors. This is a true sort of hallway. We've got some cool ideas for that. And then you can see this other stuff is a little weird. Well, that's because that's for the air conditioning, which is going to be hidden in this sort of drop ceiling here. How can I tell the electricians just left? Well, because there are signs, the telltale signs of covering up new fixes. So you can see from far away, this is still wet. So they come in and they will plaster things. It seems to look like over here they had just a little bit left of, when I said plaster, but I mean cement. So they finished up and they cover up where all the conduit is going through here. So anytime there's a space, they'll cover it up. You can see there's a little bit left there that's showing still, and if they had more cement, that probably would have ended up getting covered. But for now, this is what we've got. And those wet cement signs are the secret signs. Here's some more. That the amazing electricians were here. Of course, you may not know where I am in the house from this position, but if I turn this way, those of you who have ever done construction will probably figure out that this is the kitchen wall where we need the most, it's like group therapy for outlets. So we have switches for lights going over the stove and for the capo, which is the oven hood. We've got a light that's going up here in the ceiling. Our dishwasher, this is our dishwasher, but it's gonna go way over here. So hence the long cord for that. And this is our kitchen studio. Not as much needed. We have some track lights going up in the ceiling. We've got some more piping and AC going on in here. This ceiling is going to change entirely. I'm really excited for it. You've also seen this part in the past. It just had big tubes coming out of it, and now they have pulled all the wire. Look at how neat the guys are. And they've got it bundled all up so they know where everything goes. And this is sort of a hub. We're in this, what I like to call the bedroom wing. And basically this is the hub. So they can connect which seems like everything to everything by just coming back through here. Reminds me of the Boston MBTA, which is the subway system. So you can get anywhere if you'll go all the way back to the center. And they've even got the plumbing ready for here. This room doesn't look like the other rooms because this one is going to get micro cement. We still need to build out the shower and the vanity, but we've got electricity for some LED that'll go around the center. This ceiling is going to be dropped to, you might not really be able to tell, but it is on a diagonal, but the ceiling will be flat. Exciting stuff. So this will soon be our on-site bathroom with a lovely window out to the beautiful blue sky. That's the way I hope to wake up while we're living in this wing, waiting for the rest of it to be fixed. More things hanging from the ceiling, and thank you for coming along to check out our electricity so far. You'll get to see more as we get to the finished part, but this is a little of the BTS behind the scenes. So if you like this, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell, leave us a question, a comment, complain about our lack of beautiful frescoes in this part of the house. And until next time, ciao, ciao.